Okay guys, meron akong bagong dating na package at ito ang aking bagong bili na bisikleta. Ayan. Bicycle, electric bike. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung maganda ito. Ang DYU electric bike. Ito may kasama siyang ano kaya ito? Manual. Ito manual niya. DYU Smart Electric Bike Instruction Manual. May warranty card. Andito na rin ang ito pedals, mga pedal. Meron din siyang ito yung kanyang charger. At saka ito multi tools. Ayan. Ating gamit. Ito warranty card. At maganda. Parang naka bubble wrap. Ayan. Meron na rin siyang lock. Palagay ko ito yung lock niya. Meron pa rin siya. Okay. May lock. Ganito natin naman. Merry Christmas nga pala. Itong aming Christmas tree. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, and click the bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Obra Maestro. Ito guys, tuloy na natin ang ating pag-unbox. Ayan. Ito yung lock na ito. May lock siya. Ito na yung puan. Ayan. And then meron siyang ano dito para hindi magaskasan. Ayan. Kompleto na siya. Tabi ko lang muna itong mga ano. Ayan. So, ito yung DYU bisikleta. Nakaganon pala yun. Para kapag tawag dyan, ini-package. Ganito pala. So, ayan. Game na! Dumating na ang ating pambiyahe. Ito pala yung upuan. Ayun. Upuan. Okay. Hindi na maglalakad. Ganyan.
Dalawang tuloy yan, no?
Ha?
Nanilang.
Yeah. Upuan.
Pero matamlay na.
Ray, ano? Sabi ko nga sa iyo eh. Oo nga eh.
Nanilang, baka hindi rin pinakasin ka na.
Ha?
Baka hindi rin pinakasin ka na.
Hindi na.
Ano, dalawang regalo.
Si Linda.
Ayun.
Kaya ano mo nga natin to? Iangat nga natin. Bigat din eh. Yan. Yun. Yun. Ayos. Asan na yung ano nito?
Ano yan?
Ha?
Malakas yan.
Malakas to. Yun. Thank you. Yun. 2 tao pa lang ano nito. Bigat din.
Mabigat, no?
50 kilograms yata to eh. Pinibidyohan ko para pag ano, alam ko kung paano babalik.
Ano yung mga rin, no?
May manual naman siya. Para pag may sira, naka-video. Kung may gasgas. Ayun. Unboxing. Yan. Oop. Yun. Oh, ganun pala yun. Laki ano?
Mas malaki yata, no?
Yan. Ha?
Mas malaki, no?
Alin?
Yan.
Mas malaki ito kaysa doon sa isa.
Oo.
Malakas. Hindi kayang umahon ng isa eh.
Ha?
Hindi kayang umahon.
Isa, no?
Yung isa. Kaya pinalitan ko. Ayan. Yan.
Yeah, palo.
Ha?
Taka mo dyan. Galak ba yan?
Nalak to dapat. Press the red button and open the latch. Ah. Ay, mag-lock. Tama yan ta. Saan to? May tama to. Higa nga natin guys. Parang may tama eh. Ayaw mag-lock.
Yung paano yun, yan, doon dumiretso dito.
Dapat dumiretso eh, no?
Gawin naman, dumam dito eh, may dalang cake.
Dumaan. Ihiga natin. Yan. Ayun, pakilak mo. Ayun. Dumiretso na. Tayo. Ayun, ganun pala. Ihiga. Ayos. Kala ko may sumasabit eh.
Mas malaki yan, mukhang malakas yan.
Mukhang malakas to.
Yeah. May bigat eh.
Hmm. Ayun. Doon pala yun.
Food and urgent medicine. And most of all, you can give that animal the love that we all need and just
Yun. I-press yung red button para ma-open.
Somebody say refill?
A Chewy order for Cole is on the way. Because Mom and Dad told the girls, if they work on their best behavior, this year they get.
Tigas.
And with Cole and the family, Mom and Dad use Chewy to get everything delivered in time for the holidays.
Pag makasa pala, mahirap ito. Sarap. Tutulak ng tuhod. Parang gagawin.
Thomas Legs Jr. is charged with the kidnapping, sexual assault.
Tapos, yung uwan.
And on tomorrow's News Hour, the Boston Ballet offers a new look for the Nutcracker this holiday season. That is the News Hour for tonight. I'm William Brangham.
Yeah.
On behalf of the entire News Hour team, thank you so much for joining us.
Major funding for the PBS NewsHour has been provided by
In 1995, two friends set out to make wireless coverage accessible to all.
Marathon chance na.
With no long-term
Ah?
contracts, nationwide.
Marathon chance.
Sa una to, mga 4 na oras eh.
Agentes del interior del automóvil, lo que facilita, mejor dicho, las operaciones nocturnas en
AMC.
Yeah, sure.
Ah?
AMC.
And because
series premiere January 7th. Discover the power of Wegovy. What Wegovy? I lost 35 pounds. And some lost over 46
Ah,
pounds.
ganun.
And I'm keeping the weight off.
I'm reducing my risk.
Ayos.
Wegovy is the only weight management medicine proven to reduce risk of major cardiovascular events such as death and stroke. Results for
DYU. Bicycle.
Don't take if you are applying NCC, MEN2, or flu. Tell your provider if you plan to have surgery or procedure, or breastfeed, pregnant or planning. Stop taking and get medical help right away if you get a lump or swelling in your neck, severe stomach pain.
Para hindi magasgasan. May mga ano pa.
Serious side
Ayos.
effects include pancreas inflammation,
Close.
and problems.
Naka-close na
Call your
siya.
prescriber if you have any of these symptoms. Wegovy may cause low blood sugar in people with diabetes, especially if you take
Ito
medicines to
susi.
treat diabetes. Call your prescriber about vision changes, if you feel your heart racing while at rest, or if you have mental changes. Depression or thoughts of suicide may occur. Common side effects include nausea,
Baliktad.
diarrhea, constipation, stomach
Ito,
pain,
talo pa.
upset, headache,
Ha?
feeling tired, dizzy,
Harapan.
bloated, gas.
Baliktad ano.
Some
Ha?
side effects lead to dehydration, which may cause kidney problems.
Ikot lang.
Yan.
With Wegovy,
Diba? Yan.
I'm keeping it off.
Oh.
Program CV risk.
Oh.
Ask your Out we go.
Kita mo
I'm
yun.
obsessed with Olay's Red On Body Wash. With Olay,
Ready na mo na yan.
95%
Oo.
has visibly renewed skin.
Pa-ready na.
my skin feels so smooth and moisturized.
Olay Body Wash and Lotion. Discover
Tingnan.
yours. Recon Throat Care, a liquid center with powerful menthol for fastest throat relief.
Can a personal loan unlock your ambitions? Oh yeah. Take a swing at your kitchen.
Okay.
Definitely.
Ayos. Mamaya pag-aralan ko yung manual.
Up to 100K, no fees required.